Alright, so this is a KitchenAid stove, and this button not working. The other ones work. This one not turning. So to fix it, we're going to install one of these valves. So to start, we'll unplug the power, which will shut off the gas. So without power, the gas is gonna come. Turn on the hood, and any remaining gas can be sucked away. Then in here, there's 3 screws. Take those out. Here we got a few screws up under here. Take out. We'll take these nuts off. And then this panel comes off.
Wow. Sorry. Oh, it's just a mom reaction. I should stop it, not saying it every time.
And this just pops off like that. This is a sparker. And then, oh, we might have to take this off to get to this. Yeah, maybe we can get it off. Oh yeah, we have to get to this nut back here, so I'll take this guy off. Screw here. There. So this comes off, and then we can actually get to this little gas line back there, and we'll take this off too. I'll be back with the little random wrenches here. It's too small. Too small. Too small. Or should I check this beforehand? Okay, let's take a 13 millimeter will work. Light back on. Right. What did I say, 13?
13.
How is it? Lefty loosey? Righty tighty?
Mm-hmm.
Just need to loosen it a little bit. Screw it up with your fingers. And we'll just undo this screw right here. Okay, this whole thing comes off. So, take a new one here. Okay, two. They look about the same. Reuse this hardware. This goes right here. Let's see. Is my head in the way?
A little.
do it like finger tight, and then half a turn or so. Try not to over tighten it. This guy's turning now, so that's good. We'll pop the sparker back on. And then
The round thing.
this foam thing can go back on. Do reassemble everything opposite. Oh. Order of how it came together. Do you remember what was this? We have 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the black ones.
I think it's these. Yeah. Maybe just turn the power back on. We can check if there's any gas leaks. So it says please check if the cooktop knobs are in off position. Start, confirm.
Alright.
Yep, so now that guy's working again. Yeah, the rest is just reassembly. I think this goes over, this little thing goes over the edge. Down here. Tucks behind. Down here. Do the 3 screws up here. Done with. It doesn't write right there. Oh, no, it does. Okay.